Hey, what's happening, guys? Mike Moo here. There is another offer for a Stadia Premiere at a discounted price for those of you guys that had missed out on it previously. Apparently, right now, if you agree to pre-order a fairly highly anticipated game called Cyberpunk 2077, you can go ahead and get and redeem a free Stadia Premiere Edition, which is a $99.99 value, all for the price of $69.99. So not only do you get the game that is, I guess, retail value $69.99, but you also get a Google Stadia Premiere Edition, which includes the Stadia controller official and a Google Chromecast 4K. So how you do that? Basically, you log in to Stadia or create an account. Keep in mind that if you don't have a pro account, that's okay. You can also play for free for 30 days or more. You can sign up via link down below. Once you get in there, you can just go ahead and click on store and actually search for the Cyberpunk 2077. All right. So if notice that I'm just scrolling down on a screen over here. It says Cyberpunk 2077 comes with a Stadia Premiere Edition. There are some terms that apply. Basically, what happens is you pre-order at the $59.99 pre-order price. And then what happens is you get to play the game right when it's released, apparently on December 9th, 2020 at 4 p.m. After it gets released, you'll have to look out for an email to claim your bonus. So there are some other conditions on here. Obviously, you got to be 18 years or older. And no, you actually do not have to be a pro subscriber to Stadia in order to play this. Once you get this game, it is yours for the life of Stadia, or as long as Google keeps it running around. And it looks like they do plan on keeping it around for at least several years. At least that's what everybody claims is the case. So there are some other conditions here. And you have to be, you will get the email with the code by January 15th, 2021. And then you have until the 31st of 2021 to redeem. So make sure you put in your calendar to check before January 30th. Let's say you pre-ordered it and you completely forgot. Make sure you go in there and look for that email and redeem. So there's a limit of 1 Stadia Premiere Edition per user or 6 per household. When you do this, so if you guys all live in the same house and everyone pre-orders the game, you can only get 6 per household. So make sure that you got the correct address in there. And then also, if you refund the game for any reason, you also have to return your Stadia Premiere Edition or be charged the full price for the Stadia Premiere Edition. So keep that in mind. Apparently, there are several separate terms and conditions in all these other countries. So if you live in Belgium, Canada, Denmark, Finland, France, Germany, Ireland, Italy, Netherlands, Norway, Spain, Sweden, and the UK, you have other conditions that you should probably check out. Since I live in the US, this is pretty much what I'm looking at over here. Now note that this deal excludes Hawaii and Guam and the US Virgin Islands. And make sure that when you're viewing this video, make sure that it is still within the promotional period. So that means that you have until December 17, 2020 to redeem this. So after the game's released, you basically have just over a week to go ahead and redeem. All right, so just keep that in mind. So I'm going to show you how this works out. I'm just going to go ahead and click on pre-order right now, so you guys can kind of get a whole feel for it. And I can go ahead and use whatever it is I want to go ahead and pay for this item. What I'm going to do is, let's see, I'll just go ahead and use this account here, and I'll put in the code. Click on pre-order, and basically, well, actually, you know what? It's because I got a new card there. So I will go ahead and I got to fix the card. That's what I got to do. right, so this will be blanked out. Make sure that you have your shipping and mailing address all the same to you don't get an error or an issue here when you do it. That's pretty much the key. Okay, so if you are successful, it will say up there, pre-order successful, and that's it. Now you wait until the game is released and then look for that email. Once I receive that email, I'll go ahead and post in my community tab what that looks like, or do a quick little short to tell you what to look at. Just make sure you put a reminder in your calendar before January 31st. I would just do January 30th or January 29th, just in case, as a reminder to look for that email from Google. From Google or from the Stadia team is most likely what it's going to be. All right, I hope you guys can all get a chance to redeem this. I think that they are reserving a good number of these to handle it. And, it's really until supplies last. So get in on this as soon as you can. And if you're interested in signing up for the Pro, please use my link down below. I think you get, I get 1 month free if you sign up for it. And I think you get something too. I'm not sure what it is, but I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video.